Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katarina if you didn't know, and as you already know from the title of the video, I will be showing you supplies I bought for my card making. This is probably going to be my last haul of the year. I just needed few things, mainly for my Christmas cards. And talking about Christmas cards, a little update before I show you what I bought. 2 years ago I started my Christmas card series that I called 12 Cards for Christmas. And last year I challenged myself and I added also videos into my blog posts, and I want to do it this year as well. But the problem is editing takes me a lot of time, or I don't have time to edit. So my plan for this year's Christmas card series is I will start in the middle of November. I didn't want to start earlier. I know other crafters already started, but I just find it weird. I think it's way too early. And I will be posting 3 cards per week. And with the videos, I will try to edit as fast as possible, but it might be I will release the videos later than the blog posts. And if I will be uploading the videos after Christmas is over, so be it. I just want to have my blog posts to have also videos. So I hope you don't mind, but make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of those videos. Also follow me on Instagram, where I post to my Instagram stories every time when I upload a new video. So that's the little update, and let me show you what I bought. So first I shopped at Bumbleberry Papercrafts. I wanted to buy one specific stamp set and it was sold out on Seven Hills Crafts. And I found this stamp set on Bumbleberry Papercrafts. And of course, along with it, I added other items into my shopping basket as well. So the stamp set I'm talking about is this stamp set from Concord and 9th. It's a plaid building stamp set. It's called Happy Plaid Stamp Set. I like the idea of making your own plaid background. It's not only specific to Christmas. You can make these backgrounds on any other occasion. You can use different colors to make really various versions of the background. Plus, this stamp set has very good, bold, simple sentiments. It has the sentiment happy, birthday, and holidays. One thing to keep in mind, if you want to use a stamping tool like a Misty, you will need the regular Misty. The mini Misty is too small. The plaid stamp is about 17 centimeters long, so it definitely will not fit into the mini Misty. You can also use the stamping tool from Tim Holtz or just a simple acrylic block. Next, I got the Merry Christmas border die from Fawn. I have something similar from Clearly Besotted, but it's 2 separate dies. And of course you can glue them together. I just needed one long sentiment that is in one piece. And I think if you have it in one piece, it's just simpler. You don't have to be fiddling around, gluing it together. And I will be probably using it on my first card. I'm not sure if it's going to be first or my second, but it's going to be one of the first Christmas cards you will see on my channel. From Fawn, I also got this little stamp set with a car and a tree and a sentiment saying season's greetings. It's called Home for the Holidays. I just wanted to have a simple stamp set for a clean, quick card. Fawn has few of these cute little stamp sets, but I like the one with the car the most. The last item I bought for Christmas is this stencil from MFT. It's called Moroccan Mosaic. And I think this one can be used for Christmas. I probably will do some distress ink blending or using a texture paste or glimmer paste. Also, I have the Nuvo Mousse. I really love stencils because you can create a very easy backgrounds. And I probably would buy all the stencils, but I controlled myself and just picked one. I also bought a new ink pad. I've been looking for a new ink pad to try for a while. I usually use the VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and this is my favorite black ink, but I wanted to try something new. And I saw Christina Werner using this ink from Gina K. It's the Amalgam ink pad in jet black, and the ink is acid-free, fade-resistant and waterproof, dries quickly, works with alcohol markers, colored pencils and watercolors. I think it seems to be good all-around ink. I probably will not be using it in my Christmas videos, but for sure I will give it a try next year. And the completely last item I bought is this stamp set from Avery Elle. It's called Monsters. It has multiple images with monsters. It can be used for Halloween, but I will be using it on a birthday card for my boyfriend. I really like to make cards for him that are really fun, and he likes pirates, robots, and monsters. So I definitely think this is a great stamp set for him. So this is all I bought from Bumbleberry Papercrafts. Next, I was shopping at Create a Smile. They actually had a release after I placed my order. And it's really funny because this exact thing happened to me last time I shopped there, but I don't think I would buy anything from their new release. However, there's definitely going to be one thing I will be buying next time. They released new rectangular die. This one has scalloped edges, and these dies are for A6 cards. So if you are using A4 cardstock, this die set is definitely for you. Anyways, I got 3 stamp sets. First one is this one. You can create Christmas stockings. You can also create really fun backgrounds, I think. It's called Sweets and Treats. I definitely think this is one of those stamp sets where you can make multiple cards with different images. Next, I got this stamp set with Christmas decorations. It's a really beautiful stamp set. It has been on my list since last year. After Create a Smile, I released this last year. It was for me too late because I already had all I needed for my Christmas cards, but I put it on my list to buy it this year. It's called Delicate Decorations. I'm thinking I will be heat embossing it and doing some messy watercoloring or something similar with watercolors. And lastly, I got a stamp set for my boyfriend again. It's this stamp set with these cute monsters. It's called Beast Feast. I think I will have troubles picking which monster is going to be on my card. Maybe I will just use a square die to make little windows and put all of those monsters in there. And also the stamp set has very fun sentiments, so it's going to be one fun card. While that was my last stamp set I purchased, I also got this little stamp set as a gift. It says Danke sehr. Well, it's a German sentiment that says thank you very much. This is really great because I wanted to make cards with German sentiments because I speak German, and maybe I will start with this stamp. Anyways, that was all I bought, and I can't wait to make some Christmas cards. Wish me luck with the editing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. As always, you can follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, and hop over to my blog cherry-b to see more cards for more inspiration. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time.